Coast Guard crews faced near hurricane-force winds as they rescued a father-son team who were stranded at sea after a powerful winter storm ripped their ship's sails. The 1st Coast Guard District Command Center in Boston contacted the men by satellite phone after receiving an alert beacon signal from the Sedona at about 4:50 a.m. The 43-foot vessel lost power approximately 150 miles south of Nantucket, Massachusetts. Officials said an MH-60 Jayhawk helicopter crew was launched from a Coast Guard air station in Cape Cod and reached the Sedona about 4 hours later. The man and his son were taken to the air station in Cape Cod and transported for a medical evaluation, according to authorities. No injuries were reported.